Hey guys, Steve here from the turtlefollower.com with this week's stock trade idea video in Expedia. So we're going to take a quick look at the trade we've been in Expedia. Just if you're first joining us, we entered the trade here on August 1st. That was our trigger on this breakout above this previous resistance here around 82. That was the entry. Since then, we've been able to trail stops higher. A couple times that we were first using this 76 level, and then I believe we either used 77.36 and then potentially even 79.40. Right now we're using 82.60 as our current stop, being this low from back here in the middle of, or the beginning of August. So since then, and from last week's video, at the time, we were actually in this downtrend, riding along this trend line here after we had made a push for new highs and were rejected. So this was a little bit of a reversal signal. What happened was Expedia was coming down in this trend line here, and we came back right into that support area, the 50-day moving average, and we had a nice day here on September 24th, which actually took us above the trend line for the first time, and we got the close. The next day looked like maybe that was a false move, and then sure enough, the past 3 days we've actually broken out from that trend line there. So right now we're using 82.67. The next stop level I'm looking at is this 83.50, which would be the closing low from 922. What we're waiting on to move that stop is a breakout above this consolidation. All right, so essentially, since we've entered, the stock has been consolidating in this range between 82.67 and 88.56. So if we can get that breakout that we're looking for there over 88.50, everything will be in place to slide that stop up one more time to 83.50. Okay, so we have the 50-day moving average is above that level. Our trend line that we're using is above that level. All right, so everything would be in place to slide that stop up. But for right now, it looks like we are in this consolidation again between 88.50 and 82.50. So one of those is going to have to break before anything happens. If we look at the weekly chart, you could see the weekly trend line is moving higher. Everything is aligned nicely. We were able to come back in, test that weekly trend line, and sure enough got the bounce the past week above that. Earnings are coming up the end of October, so maybe we can get a pre-earnings run and see where we can go with this. But for right now, that's it. I mean, it's really just a wait and see, and you can see how we can be in these trades for 3, 4, 5 months at a time, and that's really the whole intent of trend following, is you're along for the bigger move, and you're not really looking for the small 1 or 2 day or 2 week moves. So I hope that helps you guys. Again, please be sure to follow me, StockTwits, Twitter, Google+. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you like the video, hit the like button below and give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. All right, we'll see you tonight for the strategy session. Have a great rest of the day, guys.